Fuel. Up and down, high and low. It's one of the most unpredictable variable costs for truckers and drivers in general. Here are 4 ways to get the most bang for your buck at the pump. The first is discount fuel cards. Top fuel card companies like Comdata, EFS, Axle, and TCS not only can save drivers an average of $200 a week, they also come with added perks like electronic checks, the ability to set limits on different cards, and reporting services. Research the available options and pick what's right for your business. Your routes, the size of your company, and what kind of trucks you have should all be considered when comparing the various discount fuel cards available. The second is fuel funding sites. Another easy way to pay the least amount as possible for fuel is to use sites like GasBuddy or the TBS Fuel Finder, exclusively available to TBS clients, to find the cheapest fuel along your route. Spending a couple of extra minutes ahead of time and planning your fuel stops could save you hundreds of dollars a month. The third way is shorter and more predictable routes. While the strategy won't save you money on fuel directly, it can help you budget for fuel costs a lot easier. Long hauls can pay more, but if they're unpredictable and leave you far from home with no return loads, those deadhead miles can eat up your profits. Consider taking shorter routes or lobbying your repeat customers for steady, predictable runs. And last but not least, the fourth way to save big on fuel is to make small but significant changes. We bet you didn't know that these are some fuel guzzlers. So be sure to run your AC only when you need it. Make sure your tires are always properly inflated, keep your windows closed on the highways, and be more gentle with your gas and brake pedals. You'll be happily surprised with your higher miles per gallon. That's it for this TBS Take. Were you surprised by any of these? As always, take it easy, truckers, and don't forget to take a load off.